So they just go on the Orbix.
That's it.
And it's got enough.
Slightly nose heavy.
Slightly nose heavy, yeah.
You happy with it?
Yeah, it's better than the other way.
Alright, let's go.
Hang on, standby. Gotta get around a bit.
Ready?
Not yet.
All good?
Yep.
Going.
Ready.
No. I think we need more tension.
4 metres more, I reckon. Not enough mumbo. There's a lot more than that.
Right, I don't think it felt like it had full so much for not.
Andrew, just grab the model.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
better. That's what you want.
Yeah.
It should be airborne within a couple of metres.
Before you let it go.
3, 2, 1.
Look at that.
Underpowered.
Oh, it's flying. Nice.
Have you pulled that power back?
I did up fraction, yeah. Good visibility. Beautiful.
I just want to see. Get on the strip, not on the rough stuff. That's it.
I'm on the glide. That looks beautiful though. Oh,
Nice.
happy with that, man.
Nice.
That was nice. It just feels underpowered. But that was nice. It was good launch.
Yeah.
See me screen.
This breeze is almost flying now.
Reset timer.
So
Just bring the motor up to full power before you go.
Okay, let's go, Andrew. He did. 3D printed spars working.
Elevator medium.
Put a little deflector in the back, I reckon that one. In the worst case scenario, you just cut the pod off and reattach it. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
I'm off to go off the gas for a while.
That's it. Just keep it going. Keep it going.
Oh,
That's all right. Perfect. No, just let it settle. Let it settle. Perfect. Well done.
whew. That's 2 success.
Throttle active.
Beautiful.
Perfect. And that's only half throttle. That is half throttle. Oh, I'm going to do. Gorgeous. That's 4 minutes, pretty much make myself to this.
All right.
But that's alright, that's alright.
Good fly. That's it. Off now. Yeah. Keep it on that That's the heading. Keep it there, keep it there. Keep it there. Hold it off, hold it off. Yeah, I held it off, but it just sort of had a bit of a sink on it. Yeah. Good. Anyway, that's pretty, love it. I might take a, actually I'll come out later and take a photo of it.
Yeah, I reckon a bit more orange underneath wouldn't go astray either.
Yeah.
We just paint that whole outward panel orange.
We'll work something out, but we just keep rolling with it.
I'll get Junior to print a hook.
Yeah.
That's a separate hook.
Geez, 15 years of aeromodelling, if not more. I've never ever had a dolly launch in my flight. So that's an elastic, some sort of elastic medical cord, 8mm under tension, some 4mm or 3mm cord, 6mm axle, 6mm Jubro piano wire, whatever the ties are. The model hooks on here, and then it's all under tension. It's on this release. Now I'm just going to, actually I've done a bit of a change on mine because I didn't have the small enough magnets, so I had to use bigger magnets, and it interfered. So Dirk's design is so smart that the small screws, I can't hold my phone and do everything, but you can see there the small screws should, without knocking my phone over, should slide in there, and they store for transport, and then the magnets capture them so they don't fall out when you're walking. But the beauty is two magnets, but they're glued in to be opposing, so they don't you don't need anything, no springs, no nothing, just two magnets opposed, and it just works. Bit of piano wire, it's just got a little notch in it. Focus. The ring off that string hooks onto, press it with your foot, couldn't get any easier, and it's simply the best. And that's a free download off Von's or Dirk's site. And this is the Cyclone 50 glider, Glen behind the sticks. Beautiful.
30 seconds. Two minutes.
We'll come back the other way, yeah. It is absolutely calm there, not a breath of wind. Oh, my phone's vibrating, I could feel it's doing that. It's going to come on the video, these funny noises.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that flight's nice. Just need some colour. What's your thoughts, Glenn?
Lovely. Sounds beautiful.
30 seconds. Yeah, but we were landing with like 50%, so we're not going to be dire. My phone's vibrating in my fingers. It's going to be that funny noise that you're going to hear on the video.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it is.
0
So that's 4 minutes, I think 4.5 minutes. And we're putting it in the captain's hand to land it straight down the strip. There's no wind and no excuses.
I'm flying top cover.
Top cover. There's Andrew, the hand launcher. He's the man. Sun's starting to set. Casting long shadows. Where's the model? Next time you see it, it's going to have some paint. There we go. We're coming on. We're on the runway. We might have to move now.
Yeah, I thought it was coming towards you. I totally lost it. I couldn't see anything.
How'd you go?
Nice machine.
Very nice. I think the finished weight's about 1.450. I think 1450 grams. Look at that sun. Beautiful. But very nice.
Yeah, I reckon it's like a nice bright leading edge or something on this when it's coming towards you.
Yeah, well,
As I say, when it's just because that sky's got that whitey sort of, it just disappears, you know.
yeah. But just from the pod. There you go. Thank you. I think we're going to have one more flight with the shark, and I mean, can't get better than this out at the Yarra Valley.
I'll tell you what wouldn't be bad on one of these. It's just some little.
Good.
Some little.
Throttle active.
Beautiful.
That's perfect, come on. Yeah, you got me slow on that. That's good. I reckon I bought my box of batteries.
And it's earned it. We've had a few hits and misses with the 3D printed models, but we're actually just
Picking
some
gold.
gold.
Yeah.
We've nutted it out.
4 minutes.
Love that orange on the nose. So I'm going to bring it in and do a low 360. To think I was going to... That's all glide.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm feeling a bit of a crosswind.
30 seconds.
That's alright.
It's still all glide.
It's hard to see there.
Yeah, I know. I just blipped the throttle. Oh! Oh!
That's right, I didn't hurt it though,
No, I blipped the throttle, but anyway,
Oh, it was yeah.
the light's definitely going. Right.
Oh, I think you broke on the nose a bit, that's all.
That's alright. No, and the wing popped off, but that's only hot glue.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Like, it's good. Excellent.
0.
Very happy.
Yeah, just
All good, man. Just let it fly it again in a couple of days. Thanks for the video. Thanks for watching.
that's alright.
And get yourselves a shark, man. Like, brilliant.